the one who's driving. God, longest tunnel here.
No.
One of the longest tunnel. Just driving.
Under the mountain.
Oh my God, this is a very long tunnel. I just cut it the others. I stopped because it's very long. This is a 4 kilometers tunnel. It's just like from Tacloban going to downtown, 4 kilometers. Or maybe longer because this is a very long one. Just driving. Let's go guys. Tara na! Kakat ko na lang iba kasi maba. Ayan na, malabas na kami. Salamat. Malabas na ako. Driving. Yay! After 4 kilometers drive under the tunnel. Bye-bye!